Hi guys, again, welcome back, welcome back. It's me again, yours truly, Coach Gabs, Coach Gabs here. In this video, I'll explain the blueprint, how to do the technique o yung idea na pwedeng makatulong sa team. And I hope it will make sense in regards of this video that I'm shooting right now for you guys. And hope na ito yung makakatulong sa paglago ng grupo, sa paglago ng network nyo, sa paglago ng successful within the team of Team Icon of EM Goldex kay Sir Wilfredo Solteral. Alright? So, hope in this video, makuha ninyo, ang objective ko is makuha ninyo yung the idea that sparks within my mind. And I hope na ma-share ko to sa inyo and hopefully magkaroon to ng applications. We need the idea to put that into the paper. Now we can see. Let's work it out. No, in order for us to be successful in this kind of business, online marketing. Now, let's get started. All right. First, all right. Here's the main idea. If you will see the table ng EM Goldex compensation plan, all right. So there's a level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4, which you're all familiar with it na, no? So ang pinaka-objective natin is yung nakikita nyong itong mga itong level 1 na 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 slots here sa taas. Alright? Yan yung objective natin. These are the objectives na pupunuin natin to using the Corpo account. If I will remember doon sa website ni Sir Will sa solteral.com, it shows there na aabot ng 1 to 3 months bago bumalik, or kumaga para kumita yung 1,000 mo sa 5,000. What we're doing here is let the people know that they can be part of the team of Team Icons, not di na kailangan maglabas ng 35,000 ng isang bagsakan. And alam naman natin sa hirap ng buhay ngayon is hindi ganon kadaling kumuha ng 35,000 isang bagsakan. But doon sa mga leaders, we know kung gusto natin ng 35,000, it's really in the state of the mind. All right? It's all in the state of the mind. If we treat the 35,000 as a life and death situation na isa sa mga kapamilya natin, which madalas yun ang marinig sa mga networker, we can do it. Alright? There's no such thing na hindi natin kayang gawin once we put our mind into it. But again, I'm an internet marketer. I don't believe in such na kung kailangan maglabas ng ganong kalaking pera para mag-successful. I don't buy that. Alright? I'm a person that always find solution to a problem and much more become easier the life of others. All right? So ang ano natin, ang idea na to is super fast corpo technique. When you say super fast corporate technique, we need 35 people just to open an account sa 35,000, right? 1,040 or 50, 1,050 ang kung papasok tayo, tapos within 1 to 3 months magiging 5,000 sa, right? uh, ang ating gagawin is to help others to do the business of EM Goldex using 1,000 pesos only. Alright? 1,000 pesos only. Ano mas magaan? 35,000 o 1,000? Of course, 1,000. Right? And this is why the video or this training video was created, because of that idea. 35,000. What if all of the members will just use 1,000 pesos to earn 180,000 pesos within the next couple of months? You get the idea? It's tremendous. It's big. 1,000 tapos maging 180,000. That's a big difference, ladies and gentlemen. Team Icons, I challenge you, 1,000 to 180,000. That's the investment. That's the idea of what we're doing here. Alright? And ang objective natin is paikliin yung time frame ng 1 to 3 months. The objective is all level 1. Ito yun, itong mga nasa taas na to. Itong all level 1 na yan, 10 na yan. All level 1 will be filled up using Corpo approach within a week. Within a week, using Facebook marketing. That's where my knowledge and that's where my expertise will comes in. Ituturo ko sa inyo ang madaling approach how to do marketing on Facebook. Alright? And I hope na may mga makuha kayong idea, and from there I magtulungan tayo. I can guide you. Kung may mga tanong kayo along the way, just PM me. Alright? So that's the idea. Super fast Corpo technique. Let all the people become part of the team of Team Icon of EM Goldex using the investment of 1,000 pesos, and kikita sila ng 180,000 pesos within a couple of months or days. That's tremendous. That's big idea, ladies and gentlemen. And I hope you're with me. All right, let's go to the next slide. Now, this idea na naisip ko, guys, this is a group goals, team effort. We cannot succeed in life, we cannot succeed in our plan kung tayo lang mag-isa. Alright? This is a team effort, group goals. Galing ako ng call center. I've been in the call center industry, BPO industry for quite so long, and I understand the team effort. We are in the numbers, ladies and gentlemen. If we want to achieve the numbers, and if we want to help other people, this is a group effort. Walang kinalaman dito kung nauna ka, or nahuli ka, or kakapasok mo pa lang. Scrap nyo lahat yon. Alright? And I want you to understand. All right? Hindi niyo makukuha ang goals niyo if you are on your own. I suggest mas magandang umakyat sa taas kung may mga kasama kang gusto mo rin iakyat. Someone is pushing you on a higher ground, and you are helping them as well in the process. All right? Let's focus our mind here to help other people. Don't focus on the money. Don't focus on the 180,000. money will come along the way. Money will come along the way. We have to shift our mind to help other people first. And we understand kung 180,000 hindi na kayo makatulog, believe me, sa 180,000 pa lang hindi na kayo makatulog, it means ang goal nyo masyado pang maliit. Alright? And this is a group effort. It's not about the money. It's not about the money. My mentor always said, it's not about the money. It's what you become on the process. And I want to understand, it's what you become in the process sa team effort na gagawin natin. Alright? First is do the online marketing at least 1 to 2 hours per day. Kung galing kayo sa networking before, na pumupunta pa kayo sa Ortigas, because that is the capital of networking city. Karamihan sa Ortigas, meron din sa Makati. Sa Alabang, meron na rin, starting na rin. Kung galing kayo sa networking, na gaya ko, and you put a lot of time going there, sa pamasahe pa lang, panggalaw nyo pa lang, wala itong pinagkaiba guys sa online marketing. Ang kagandahan sa online marketing, hawak mo ang oras mo. Alright? All you need to do is do the online marketing 1 to 2 hours per day. And kung susundin nyo ang mga ituturo ko sa inyo, and from later on mag-evolve ang inyong thinking, then you share what knowledge na na-acquired ninyo. Alright? Next, sa mga website owner, alright, nakatulad ko na may website ako, www.thebillionairesmind.info/blog. Okay? Doon sa mga website owner should track the record of when the transaction is made. So, parang ganito yan guys. Sa may mga website na, personal website or blog site, yung katulad nung kay Sir Will, na may number doon, may account number sa BPI and BDO, you have to track the record. Why? Because it's much more convenient and everybody will be happy kung lahat nakapila. So kumbaga, nakapila sila doon sa mga papasok sa slots ng level 1. Alright, kung kailan sila nagbayad, kailan nila pinakita yung kung kailan nila pinakita yung resibo nila, sinend nila sa inyo, pinakita nila, nakita niyo yung date, then yun yung parang susunod in the next line para makapasok doon sa level 1, doon sa mga naka-corpo. Alright? And this is a big responsibility ng mga website owner. And be responsible guys to help people in integrity way. Hindi po porket na mas favorite nyo si ganito, si ganyan, yun ang uunahin nyo sa pila. No, that's not what I meant here. Be fair to others. We're talking about money here. We're talking about opportunities. We're about changing the life of others. Be more responsible and have integrity of yourself. Okay? So, kumbaga, pila-pila, kung sinong nauna, yun ang next in line para makapasok sa level 1. Yung mga nagko-corporate account. Alright? Now, next would be the strategy. Simple lang ang strategy natin, guys. Isa lang. Website trafficking. Website trafficking means drive all people to the website or drive all eyeballs to the website, which mas madalas gamitin ng mga internet marketer, eyeballs. kailangan you drive the eyeballs of the netizens of Filipinos to that website. That is the main strategy. Nothing more, nothing less. So, if you will see the bigger picture, that's why kailangan talaga kung may nakapila. All right? May nakapila kung sino una nagbayad, sinong nag send ng resibo, touch copy, send dun sa ano ng ano. So it's really a big responsibility sa owner ng website to keep track of those records of transaction. Pila-pila. Drive all people to the website. Drive all eyeballs to the website. That's what we call in internet marketing, website trafficking. And ituturo ko sa inyo yung kung walang budget, kung no budget, you can still do it. Kung wala kayong website, you can still do it on Facebook. On Facebook. Alright? Just be open mind. Open mind lang kayo. And i-apply nyo yung mga ituturo ko. And kung may mga mag-spark kayong idea, write it down. I suggest you write it down. And you can consult on me. You can PM me if you want. But for now, that's the main idea for the super fast corpo technique. All right. In the next videos, I'm gonna teach you how to do the website trafficking. All right, and see you there, guys. See you there. All right. Ciao.